Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your game development with Unity, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the latest version of Unity installed. Open the Unity Hub and navigate to the Installs tab. Click on Add to download the most recent version. After installation, proceed to the Projects tab to create a new project. Select a template that best fits your game type, such as 2D or 3D. Input your project name and choose a location to save it. Click on Create to launch the Unity editor with your new project. Familiarize yourself with the Unity interface. Take note of the Scene View, Game View, and the Inspector panel. Next, import any assets you'll need for your game. Navigate to the Asset Store and browse for models, textures, or scripts. Download and import these assets into your project. Now, begin building your game world in the Scene View. Drag and drop your assets into the scene to create your environment. Utilize the Inspector panel to adjust the properties of your game objects. Implement lighting by adding light sources from the Game Object menu. Now, it's time to add interaction to your game. Create scripts by right-clicking in the Project panel and selecting Create C# script. Open the script in your preferred code editor. Write your gameplay logic, such as player movement or enemy behavior. Save your script and return to Unity. Attach your script to the relevant game objects by dragging it into the Inspector panel. Next, test your game frequently using the Play button. Observe how your game functions, and make necessary adjustments. Incorporate audio by importing sound files and adding them to your scene. Use audio sources to manage music and sound effects. As you develop, organize your project files neatly in the Project panel. Create folders for scripts, scenes, and assets to maintain clarity. Once you're satisfied with your game, it's time to build it for release. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.